All right, you guys. So today, I got an announcement. I'm going to that Jay Majors event, the Health and Wealth Summit. It's not really announced that I'm going. I'm just gonna basically just be popping up there, and yeah, man, it should be fun. But right now, I'm on my way to work. Oh, and I will be with the Barber Plug. That's who's bringing me out there to the Health and Wealth Summit. This is in Florida. I'm on my way to work. And yeah, does anybody still like cutting hair? You know what I mean? That's the question that I have for today. Does anybody still like cutting hair? All right, this is getting... Nah, I'm just like, listen, for me, I love cutting hair. There's something that ain't never gonna change. Yeah, man, what you gotta do is find that spark, man. Just find that spark. Don't sit here and keep doing the same old thing. You gotta buy new things. You know, get yourself inspired. Get yourself back pumped with doing what you love to do. You know what I mean? Because what I do is I'll buy a bunch of, camera equipment. I'll buy a new backpack. You know what I mean? I'll buy some different things to keep me pumped. So as long as you do that, you know what I mean? You got to use the stuff that you buy. You know what I mean? Don't be just super boring and just keep doing the same thing, using the same clippers. You know what I mean? Go out and buy some new things. Get yourself back pumped. But I'm about to go back to work. I'm about to go into work right now. Excuse me, you waiting on me? I'm right there.
I'm a straight waver.
Where you get your beats?
I won't deny it. I'm a straight waver.
YouTube, you got something in the mail from the Barber Plug. All right, we got a bunch of combs, bunch of brushes. I went up there and did this. Another bunch of combs, bunch of brushes, bunch of combs, bunch of brushes, bunch of combs, bunch of brushes. Hold on, bunch of combs, just combs and brushes and combs. Let me open this up so you guys can see what it looked like. All right, this is a unique type of comb and a brush. All right, so I went up there to Dallas, Texas to do this show. And I know I said it a while back, but I had to go again to redo it. It's like this. Have you ever seen like these celebrities when they go to basically, I forgot what it's called. I really don't know what it's called, but the celebrities go to basically pick out their best shoe and talk about their first shoe and whatnot. This show is basically celebrity barbers going out to pick out their favorite clipper. And that's just what I did right here. I did a vlog and show basically the behind the scenes. That video is gonna come out soon. But basically, I wanted to try these out. I wanted to try these. I got some of these. These, which look pretty cool. Wall is kind of doing their thing right now with these. They have a little grip on the back too. If I open it up, you'll see what I'm talking about. And these, and these. These Unos are a must, man. You gotta have a couple of these. And a couple of blades. A couple of blades. A couple of things. A couple of razors. Oh, the razor hard. I've been using it. The razor is hard. Look at this. The razor is kind of hard though, with the gold, with the cream, with the little, you open it like this. Oh! All right, you open it like this by pressing this, stick the blade right in. No pause, no pause. Basically, that's it, all right? I got a bunch of combs, clippers. Vlog will come out soon. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Let's get back to it. So usually I go to lunch with my uncle, but today I'm gonna go home and get a brush session in, man. You know what I mean? Like, it's my lunch break. Some of y'all might be like, oh, Jeezy, bro, you should get something to eat. Nah, hard work, dedication, motivation. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna give me something to eat, man. I know that's a little of a square thing to do. I know it's one of those things where it's like, bro, are you serious? You gonna go home? Yeah, I'm gonna go home, man. Get a session in. Let's go.
2 hours later.
Where you get your beats?
cross in the back.
Crossing that. When did you get this done?
Huh?
You could
When did you
reduce the
get that
number of
done?
unwanted calls and emails
couple
with
weeks ago.
online privacy
Couple weeks ago?
protection. The latest innovation
You wanted it
from
like that?
Discover.
Yeah.
We'll help regulate and we'll do it
You
for
did
free.
that, or you seen somebody that
Activate
wanted
in the
it?
Discover
I
app.
did.
You did?
See terms and learn more at discover.com/.
Your mom took you to go get it done?
No, she did it.
She did it? Tell her she did a good job.
Can I get a box?
Oh, you wanted a cross in the back. You didn't even say nothing. What did you want?
A box?
A box? Hold on, wait. A box in the back.
Cutting all your hair off. No. That's the only way you can get it.
What do you mean a box?
Like a box in the back of my head.
A box tail?
Like a duck
Like,
tail.
oh, starting a tail. Okay.
I'm just gonna get tape.
Why not a box no more?
Because I don't want to cut off my hair.
You ain't gonna have to cut off your hair. You want like a ducktail, right?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna have to cut off your hair. So you just saying like having a square like for a ducktail, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do that. You want to do it? Is Danny here? Danny? No, he left. Oh. Ooh-wee. Put it in the air. All right, y'all. I'm out. Peace.